Alright, so welcome back. Today's project, I know we didn't talk about all the things that we did on the last one we did, so it's an open forum. Trying to make videos again, but anyways, we're going to be working on our trailer. Our project is going to be picking up our BRZ from Buddy's house, Caleb, the other showman. But we got an engine we got to replace in it, and it's going to be our next project anyway. So the idea here is to rig up a winch plate to our new trailer so that we can start that whole project.
So we got everything pretty much mocked up where we want it, so kind of show you what we got an idea here. And see, now we just need to get the metal cleaned up so that we can start welding. So we've got two 1/4-inch angle iron sit on front and back to kind of help support the battery tray and the hitch mount itself. We'll come in here with a floor and add like a diamond plate floor or some type of sheet metal, so we'll have a place for our batteries to sit. And then obviously the winch will actually mount right there. And then for anybody that's wondering, we'll probably use some type of snatch block or pulley system off of the ground, an adjustable one, so that we can keep the angle of the winch rope at a decent angle, so we're not pulling up on the whatever is being towed up. Alrighty, so we'll get back up to cleaning the surfaces so we can start burning this stuff in.
Oh, we're back on. And we're back again. So I've got the welding done, cross braces. Probably can't see me now that I'm in the sun. our press bases up. This is our idea here. Got the outer plate, receiver hitch mounted. Then we're gonna put batteries, some mesh plate down here, and then mount our winch up into place here so that it's removable as we need it.